In every practical sense, exceptionally current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically fundamentally is at $526,410,475, which is the Avax United States dollar medium term support actually fundamentally remained at $13.68, which in a real sense by and large is very critical, which especially is genuinely huge. Torrential slides EMA10 by and large shows a vertical pattern, which certainly is genuinely critical in an extremely significant manner. 20 January 2024, in this video we will especially walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and basically explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what sort of is extremely transient cost expectation for torrential slide, essentially in every way that really matters. Is Avax and especially in every way that really matters, wise venture, or so they explicitly thought, or so they for the most part thought. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on, or so they truly thought, really in spite of prevalent thinking. However, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Avax specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they truly generally thought in an essentially significant manner. Market examination over the exceptionally in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,634,390,721,246 in a genuinely sort of significant manner in an unpretentious manner. The reasonably by and large complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $57,055,176,489, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters, especially has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially in every way that really matters, enormous way, which is very critical. Which sort of most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, by and large really in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly sort of has seen a value decline of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, in a decently especially significant manner in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span in a very exceptionally large manner, which basically is genuinely critical. Sold the especially really local coin of Solana essentially by and large is somewhere near 2.93 and as of now exchanging at $91.67, pretty further appearance how Avax United States dollar medium term support sort of especially remained at $13.68, which sort of explicitly is very huge. Furthermore, XRP came to 55 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0% in esteem, so the sort of commonly current exchanging volume of torrential slide especially explicitly is at $526,410,475 in an especially certainly large manner, or so they thought. These occasions certainly generally show that the market generally truly is going in a decently for the most part descending bearing for fundamentally momentary in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a very broad extremely kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how which basically certainly brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52% in a very essentially significant manner in a significant manner. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish in every practical sense lovely key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which all things considered, sort of is very huge, or so they really thought. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in every way that really matters generally become commonly much certainly more truly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, essentially further appearance, how the for the most part current exchanging volume of torrential slide truly is at $526,410,475 in a kind of truly significant manner. Which by and large is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition generally really is a level at which vendors explicitly generally become following sort of fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The especially truly current torrential slide cost certainly is $32.41, with an exchanging volume of $526,410,475 in the very beyond 24 hours, sort of extremely further appearance how yet prior to plunging in every practical sense. Exceptionally profound into the Avax specialized examination, basically by and large, let us truly discuss the essentially kind of current economic situations, which generally especially is very huge. Right now, Avax sort of is somewhere near 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $11,887,838,937 United States dollars, which sort of generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost investigation for 20 January 2024, inside a by and large day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, made sense of beneath, which basically sort of is genuinely critical, or so they thought. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally especially normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving fundamentally really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving very normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the torrential slide. Exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum entirely has a predominance of 16.33%, which essentially generally is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. While Avax's Williams %R pointer by and large sort of is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange extremely signal truly is certainly fundamentally conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. Which is genuinely huge. The Avax United States dollar moving especially normal union and disparity, MACD, marker especially is showing a truly kind of transient sort of sell fundamentally kind of sign, as the MACD line explicitly essentially is moving beneath super sign line which, for the most part implies essentially explicitly bears essentially by and large, a ruling in the market in a reasonably especially huge way. The decently genuinely relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin explicitly by and large is in oversold stage, as RSI by and large especially is at 29, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which explicitly for the most part is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. There basically had been a fundamentally regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will for the most part go on as reasonably by and large lengthy, as it for the most part